at dawn. The plow's been rusted, but it still rolls on. Hands like leather, hearts like gold, stories of the land in the dirt they hold. Row by row, seed by seed, we're planting hope where the hungry plead. We're feeding the nation. This is our grind. Whoa. Tractors hum and the silos stand tall. Echoes of labor in the barnwood walls. The wind carries whispers of work and pride. This patch of earth keeps the dream alive. Whoa. Whoa. Grain by grain we pave the way someone's darkest day. We're feeding the nation, 1 acre at a time, sweat and soil in every line. From the mountains to the coast, it's the farmers who give the most. Feeding the nation. This is our grind.
The prairie winds and the tall grass grow. I hear the thunder of their untamed run. Wild horses race in the setting sun. Wild horses, free as the sky. Dust kicks up as they gallop by. No reins to hold, no fences high. Wild horses chasing dreams that never die. Moonlight dances on their mane so wide, shadows weaving through the endless night. They're a whisper of freedom, a rebel's creed. Wild horses running where the soul is freed. They don't bow to the weight of a heavy chain. They don't fear the storm or the driving rain. Their spirit's fierce, their hearts are wild, like the dreams I've held since I was a child. Wild horses, free as the sky. Dust kicks up as they gallop by. No reins to hold, no fences high. Wild horses chasing dreams that never die. Sometimes I wonder if I'm one of them.
whisper soft through the tall swaying grass. Clouds rolling heavy like shadows.